Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing the August color kits from Shimmerz Paints, and this kit is so gorgeous. So let's go ahead and jump in and take a look at everything included in the kit. So as you can see, there's a lot of stuff included in the kit. So I have everything here. This is called the complete kit with the bonus bundle. So here is the paint collection here. We've got, oh, this month, this is fun. We have a watercolor brush included in the kit, so that's nice. We've got some sequins. Now the sequins are part of the bonus bundle that also come with a paint, but look how pretty these are. All different shapes and colors. And then included with the bonus bundle is this paint, which this color is gorgeous. This is the Winter's Mist Shimmerz. We'll swatch the paints just a little later on. We get 3 enamel dots. I call these enamel flare dots. So we've got blue, polka dot, and pink. Then we have lots of ephemera. So usually I look at the papers first, but I'm just so excited to take a peek at this ephemera. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. So as I'm flipping through the ephemera here, which, oh my goodness, it looks like there's a ton of florals. And I think I'm right. I think there's a ton of florals in here. There is. This is amazing. So as I'm flipping through here, I want to tell you that if you're not already a kit subscriber, Shimmerz Paints has a subscription service on their website that you can sign up for. You can get the paint kit, the paper kit, the complete collection, and any of those collections you can also add the bonus bundle onto. I do want to say that recently the kits have been selling out. So if you're interested in getting one of these kits, I highly recommend signing up for a subscription. And whether you're placing an order on the website or signing up for the subscription, be sure to add my name to both, because Shimmerz Paints will send you a free paint when you include my name in the notes section. So add Melissa Minor to that notes section. I'm going to continue flipping here through all this ephemera. We do have a couple little wordy bits that'll be great to place alongside photos. We've got leaves, we've got florals, there's a few hearts in here, and I think I saw a butterfly as well. So lots and lots of great embellishments in this kit this month. All right, so the next thing here is a color sheet. So always included in your kit is one of these color sheets, and you can paint this up using your paints and then use your scissors to fussy cut the items out. Super fun. Now let's look at the paper. So these are all 12 by 12 in size, and they have like a little shiny, like a shinier finish to them. Gorgeous polka dots, and ooh, look at this. That's interesting. We've got a bright yellow sunburst pattern. And then we've got some flowers. You could totally use your paints and color those up and then fussy cut them. We've got this gorgeous blue flower paper. And then on the back, we have like rainbow of hearts, super pretty. We've got a nice floral, vibrant pattern. We've got a great rainbow stripe paper. This is a fun design with rainbow colors. And then on the back, lots of different smaller flowers. We've got this fun design. You could always use your paints here and color this up. And then here's another pattern on the back. And then this gorgeous like weaved paper with flowers. And ooh, I love this. You know what I can see doing? I can see fussy cutting that big flower out. Ooh, I love that. Super pretty. We've got a pink and white checkerboard style paper. And on the back, like a rainbow here. Go either direction. And then this gorgeous paper with polka dots and then stripes on the back. So that's a look at everything included in the kit. As you can see here, there's lots and lots of gorgeous papers and ephemera, and of course the paint. Speaking of paint, let's go ahead and swatch the paints so you can see the paints in action. I absolutely love Shimmerz Paints. All right, so let's go ahead and get to swatching. I do have this fun, it looks like a cat bowl, but it is really like this fun water tank that helps keep, you can like drain it to get new water. It's really cool. Anyway, I'm going to use it today for the first time to swatch these colors. So the first color I have here is Razzle Dazzle Berry Spritz. And if you're not aware of what a spritz is, you can spray them, brush them on like watercolor. You can even use them like with embossing powders. There's so much you can do with these. Really, really pretty paint color. I love that. So it's a real pretty pink, a deep pink, magenta. The next color I have here is the Punked Up Purple Colorings. Now, what's a colorings? It is a bold, flat color, and they dry matte. So they're perfect if you want strong color without shimmer, or you can layer shimmer on top of them if you'd like. So that's a really pretty purple. Then the next two, you'll notice that I went ahead and sprayed a little bit of water into the paint pan to activate them. This first one here is called Giddy About Green, and it's in Inklings, and I love Inklings. They're solid watercolor pans, again, that you activate with water. They're really creamy, and they have a ton of shimmer and pigment. If you were to ask me my favorite formulation of paint, I don't know. It's a toss-up between Inklings, Shimmerz, Vibes. I don't know. I like them all so much. This next one here is called Sun Kissed, and it's also in Inklings. So it's got a lot of that shimmer and pigment in it. So that's a really, really pretty color. Next up, I've got two of the Shimmerz. So this first one here is called Let There See Light, and C is spelled S-E-A. Now this one is brand new, so you don't have this one. It's a brand new color that just came out. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch this one, and that is gorgeous. Now Shimmerz, their premix paints, they have a really pretty iridescent finish, and they dry quickly, and they stick to almost anything, like even acetate or metal. So Shimmerz are super good. All right, and then this one is included in the bonus bundle. So if you were to purchase the bonus bundle this month, you would get this paint, which is Winter's Mist Shimmerz, and then also the Sequin Mix. And it's very inexpensive, so it's a great way to try Shimmerz. Oh my gosh, this is my new favorite blue. This is stunning, and I don't have this one. Super pretty. All right, so I actually do all of my swatches on mixed media cardstock because I want to get a really good idea of what the paint is going to look like when I'm using it on my projects. And most likely I'm going to use a mixed media type cardstock. Now at first I was storing these on swatch rings, but I've recently changed to a new system, and I've got these little swatch books. So I think they were made for like, you know, negatives or something, but I've got my 2x2 squares that I already cut, and I just moved them into this. Now I already had the Giddy About Green, and let's see if I have this one. Nope, I don't already have the Razzle Dazzle Berry, but you can kind of see here how it fits in the color family. So this is a great way to see like all of your paints at once, to see how the colors stack up against each other. So I love that. Where's my orange page? Here we go. And yep, I've already got that one. Now the purple, Punked Up Purple. Let me go to my purple page. I don't think I have this one. No, I don't have this one. So this is great. So I'm going to add this to my collection. And then, but I love to show you just how it stacks up against the other colors. And this is that Winter's Mist Shimmerz. Gorgeous. I don't have it. And then of course I know I don't have the Let There See Light Shimmerz, but it kind of, it's similar to this other color, but you can see here it's different. So that is a look at everything in the color kits. If you have any questions, drop them below. If you've enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button. And if you don't already follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, I would love for you to follow me on those platforms as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.